The Prophet says, alayhi salatu wasalam, and the hadith in Sahih Muslim, no one must die except while thinking positively of Allah Azza wa Jal. Don't die while in a state of despair or thinking that no, I will go to hell, because this is thinking negatively of Allah Azza wa Jal. And Allah says in the Quran, then what is your thought about the Lord of the worlds? فَمَا ظَنُّكُمْ بِرَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Whenever things go south, whenever things are tight, ask yourself, what is your thought of Allah, the Lord of the worlds? Do you think positively? Wallahi, things will become positive. Optimism is part of our aqidah of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah, because you are thinking positively of Allah. However, this is an incentive, not a driver. What do you mean? If I am doubtful what to do and a good word pushes me to do it, no, this is not optimism. This is something you believe in to benefit you other than Allah Azza wa Jal. If you are going to do something, I am going to travel to this city, I am going to buy a car. Khalas, I'm determined. I have my checkbook. Well, I don't have credit, but I have my checkbook. I go to the showroom. And while I'm going to the showroom, I hear a word of saying, success is in your way. This is optimism. I feel that what I'm doing is good. Not when I am doubtful, what should I do? What should I do? Someone says, success is in your way. I said, khalas, I will do it. No. Now you're believing in something to benefit you other than Allah. This is not optimism. This is not believing in good omens.